Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from MyDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to continue on process on an all-in-one $25 digital business using my lead gen secrets here, case study. All right, so as you know, its affiliate system is crazy. 80% commissions, that's $20 and $100 all together. That's $120 for every single person. I want to show you guys something real quick. Like, I got a refund on the one I got to sell on Friday. They asked for a refund on Saturday, so I had to pay that back. But I want to make sure I show you guys that, to show y'all the reality. Sometimes people ask for refunds, but it's okay. We slowly build up. You're gonna get more sales than refunds. All right, so don't be discouraged by refunds at all. Don't worry about that. All right, so we're gonna keep on moving here. Let's go to it's more about, I guess you could say it's more thinking about it as an investment. Like, how much money are you willing to spend to have a monthly income being built, I guess you could say. Sometimes it's like that. But let's keep it moving. You know what I mean? I'm rambling now. All right. So we get in here. And let's go to mailing system here. All right, those are my last emails I sent. They all my emails. I like them. They're pretty nice. I'm cool with it. Okay, so we're gonna use my emails again. I gotta sell one of my emails, so we're gonna continue using one of my emails. You know what I mean? Let's do 400. Space here, and let's look at my emails here. The last one I used was let's build your monthly income. The bigger problem is I think that's the last one I used. Right here, bit money day, extra money every month. Next one. I gotta get me a new mouse. You see how I'm messing with me so much? Yeah, I gotta get me a new mouse. All right, so let's go on back here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna place this part right here, paste. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, we'll go with that. All right, so what we're gonna do here, let me look at the email here. System carry on as usual, blah blah blah, made $50 today. Hold up, what'd I do? Yeah, I messed up. Sorry about that, guys. We'll go with this. Just copy this. Right, and then we're gonna look at this at blah blah blah, and we're gonna just paste in my new stuff. Paste, boom. That don't look right. That looks better. Okay, so we're gonna take this. We're gonna delete that. We're gonna get our link for it for the system here. Now, if you are signing in and you get to this page, you get this page here, and this is your link here, all in one $25 business sale here. It's the link you want to use here. But I vowed to make my link a little cleaner looking, so I'm gonna use my income speed sales. Yeah, very simple link. Looks a lot cleaner, so we're gonna use that personally. All right, so we're gonna post that in there like that. We're gonna hit bold. Now I saw that had me $50 a day bold. $520. We're gonna unbold that. All right, so it looks pretty good, right? I agree with this. All right, so we're gonna hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around the time that people usually check their emails. So for example, they check their emails around 9 o'clock every morning. It'll send the email around 9 o'clock in the morning. It's 5 for me. It's 5 o'clock a.m. for me. So I get these video out by 11 o'clock today. do the little editing and stuff, and then get it out for me. But like, you see what I'm saying? Depending on when you send these emails out, I like to send mine out early in the morning as soon as I wake up, so I don't have to worry, I don't forget about it. You know what I mean? So anyway, we're gonna send an email. But make sure the link works real quick. Boom. Yeah, the link works. Okay. We'll send the email just like that. What's wrong? Something happened here. Error message, including string value. I don't know what none of that means. I guess it means retry. Alright, so we're gonna retry here a bit money there. Alright, so I gotta reset it. Okay. That's what we're gonna do. 150 here. Boom. We just copy pasted that. Sorry about this, guy. That shouldn't have happened, but we're gonna redo it here. Copy. We're just gonna rewrite the header here. But then pick the first name fits at the end there. I want to get the check. Check mark emoji. Pick the wrong one. This one. Oh, this one works. I know this one works. So. But it don't supposed to let you pick emojis on this. It say you can't do them, but I found some that do work, so I stick with them. Do feel like I'm getting to the numbers. That's kind of unbelievable. All right, so there we go. Got that set up. Everything looks pretty good. We're gonna try this again. Oh, forgot to select the leads. I'm sorry about that. Make sure you select the leads, guys. Make sure it's all of them. All right. There we go. It went through that time. I don't know what it was last time, but it went through that time. So, all right. Once this email is sent, right, you want to go ahead and go to your Nets account here. You want to make a tab for the Nets, a new account like this right here, and then you want to log out on this one, like that. Boom, 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 boom. Now you in a new account. Hit that. All right. All right, so we just copy. We just go down here. Copy that. Put that in there. Get perfect timing. Make sure that small in this. It'd be kind of weird to have that big old picture like that. And we send it. All right. Just that simple, guys. All right, so the email sent. All right, so we're gonna go to our Nets account real quick. Boom, boom, boom. How did you feel it? Log in on that. For the mailing system, make sure you get that. Basically, just copy paste. Do the same thing you've been doing, you know. So we're gonna do that again. All right, everything look good. Put that. That's a picture of me, by the way. I put a picture of me and put my name there. Looks really cool. I thought I edited the picture, make it look like it got like stickers on it. It's hard to see on this white on white, but yeah. Anyway, let's go. Boom. All right, guys. That's about it, guys. For the system and how to do this right. As you can see, it's very simple and easy to do. It took 9 minutes because something happened at the beginning there, but I ain't worried about that. Okay, so the system is very well done, very well set up, very easy to get in and kind of start making money because they teach you a billion ways how to make money. I haven't tried any of them yet. I want to see how well my lead gen secrets will work with it. I just want to see how well it work with it. So far, I gotten 2 sales. I gotten 3, but one, refunded. But so I'm gonna just say 2. If I get, I'm trying to decide on how many more I want to get this month. I want to get 2 more sales this month, so I'd be on track to make at least, what is it? You get a sale a week. It slowly, by the time the year's end, it turns into how much? How much is it? I'm trying to, there you go, right here. 1 sale a week turns into $70,000 a year, and I can use an extra $70,000 a year. But you gotta understand, that's $6,000 a month. 1 sale a week. By the end of a year, that's $6,000 a month. So by this time next year, I want to be at that. So I want to try to get 2 more sales this month, and I'm gonna keep on going like that. Now, any of you guys want to join in, you might want to try, try one of the, try the methods they teach in it to get you sales. I haven't done any of them yet. I've been watching them though, and I know exactly how to do it. I just haven't, because I want to focus on just this one for you guys in the case study. Now, next month, I'm probably gonna go all out on it, try to do a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm not in a rush, because I already make enough money for my lifestyle already, so I'm not in a rush to do that. I'm willing to make these case studies, you know what I mean? Like, it's not really a gamble if this works or not for me, but for you guys, I want to show you guys the realistic of what you're expecting, So I made sure to show you guys that, and I want to show y'all how well My Lead Gen Secrets works with this system. I've gotten 2 sales, so it works. In my opinion, getting 2 sales in a week is solid. 2 sales in a month is solid for me, in my opinion. But you gotta stick to something to build something. Like, you can't get in here, be on it for a month, and hope and be making like $6,000 per month immediately. It's not that type of system, unless you got to get the right traffic going to it. But don't give up on something, guys. That's my point of this. Don't sign in and see that it's not a get rich quick scheme and then get out. Don't do that. Don't, because this is dedication. It takes dedication now. It's not hard. It's not hard work. It's just, you gotta sit down and you gotta listen to what people are saying to you on how to make money. If you got short attention spans, don't sign in, guys. You got a short attention span. This is real. This is real. This is not no get rich quick scheme. I mean, it can be if you know exactly how to do it. Anything can be a I want to say something. Things can be a get rich quick scheme if you know exactly how you do it. All right, guys. But this, when you're first learning, take it one day at a time. Relax. Give it some time. You get that first sale. You get that second sale. Now you can stay in the system the whole time, because now you're making money. No matter what, you just get 2 sales and you're making money. I'm making an extra $90 a month with this system now. But anyway, that's all I wanted to speak on, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.